Hey, what are you doing? Are you giving me kisses? Are you giving me kisses? Are you giving kisses? Are you giving what? 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 You want to go up there? You got to give me a kiss first. You got to give me a kiss first. You can go up there. Yeah, you can go up there. Oh, I see. You had to take a poopy. You had to take a poopy. I can help you go up there, but you got to give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Will you give me a kiss? Why did you get shy? Did you get shy all of a sudden? You're never a shy bird. You're just never, you're not a shy boy. You're not. You're not a shy boy. Why do you want to go up there? You want to go up there? Say, Mommy, I want to go up there. I want to go up there. Mommy, I want to go up there. Oh, give me a kiss first. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, and you can go up. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you. Will you give me a kiss? Will you give me a kiss? Will you give me kisses? I know you want to go up. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, you sweet boy. You're such a sweet boy. Do you love me? Do you love me, Polly? Do you love me, Mr. Peepers? Do you love me? Do you love me, Mr. Peepers? Oh, do you love me? Do you love me? Yeah. How come when I turn the camera on, you're not talkative? What happened to all the talking, mister? You don't talk anymore? You don't talk? Are you afraid of the birdie and the camera? You know that bird right there? See that bird? Yeah, that's you. That's you, Mr. Peepers. Mr. Polly Winston Peeper Pooper Perez. That's you. That's you. That's you right there. I know. It's not scary. It's just you. It's just you. Oh, run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Ah, you good? Are you up there now? Are you up there now, Mr. P? What are you doing? Polly! Where's Polly? Where did Polly go? Where's Polly? Where is he? Where's Polly? I can't find him. I can't find him. Where's Polly? Oh, there you are. Hi, Polly. I love you. Yeah. I know. Will you give me a kiss? Will you give me a kiss now? Oh, I love you too. I do. I do. I know. It's crazy. You got such a cute. I know. Yeah, you're up there. You're up there. You are. You're up there. You're up there. Yes, you are. Hi, Polly. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off. Yeah, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn that camera off. And you won't have to see the other bird that scared you. Yeah.